Hey everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the garage. Welcome to a special edition of Cali Moto TV. Today we're almost live. I don't like to do the live videos because the quality kind of sucks, but we are about a half hour ago. So you're seeing us just in the past, but we're getting ready for our track day adventure out at Thunderhill on Monday. So we're gonna get ready and head up there tomorrow night. But we've got all of the Hyper Nakeds ready as along with the BMW HP2 Sport. But let me tell you why we're excited. We're excited because, again, we have three of the best Hyper Nakeds available on the market today, starting with the 2018 BMW S1000R, probably Bogna's favorite bike. She still loves it. Of course, my beautiful 2020 Ducati Streetfighter V4 S, and Bogna's new birthday present, the 2019 Tuono Factory 1100. We're going to have two V4s and one inline 4 out on the track this weekend for you guys, or early in the week, so we'll have videos for you. But let's not forget about the absolutely gorgeous, I'm just so excited for this bike to be on track because this is a track-derived bike. The 2010 BMW HP2 Sport will be out on track. I may only get one session on this, but that's all I really care about. I just wanted to get this thing out on track and feel how it's supposed to be in its natural environment. But these three have me excited because we are going to be getting these things out on the track. But don't worry, because the road vlog is coming and the comparison on road is coming with these three. So stay tuned. Like buttons are more important than you guys know, so smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and that bell, ring it so you guys can see when these videos come out. They are coming out this week, so I just wanted to bring you guys along and let you guys know how excited me and Bogna are. It is hot. It is hot. It is, I'm standing in the sun. I got to go into the garage because it's about 110 degrees today here in Dixon. It's going to be 115 degrees out at the track today, and this weekend is supposed to be, actually this whole week is supposed to be over 110 degrees. So I hope I can make you guys proud. When I get hot, I get exhausted, and of course, you know, riding just, so bear with me, but it's a hot one this week, so we appreciate you guys coming along. But again, like, subscribe, everything. We'll see you guys next video. Thanks for sticking around. Bye, guys.